Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions, Market Insider TV. It's Thursday morning, April the 19th, and if you're joining us here on a free trial or through our website, we do post these twice every day, our TV segments in the morning and in the evening, and it's like a little mini webinar about what's happening in the markets. We'll take a look at some charts, some fundamental news, headlines in the markets, everything that you need to know, keep you on top of what's happening on a day-to-day basis. Make sure you follow us on Twitter for latest updates at Midwest Markets and our website, which is MidwestMarketSolutions.com, where we bring you information each and every trading day, including our newsletters, audio commentaries, our TV, and a whole lot more. So check us out there. If we're in your location, stop in and visit one of our offices. We have 12 licensed brokers in several different states around the Midwest, 10 different offices. So love to have you stop in and take a look at things. All right, let's look at some of the headlines here. Weekly export sales came out this morning. Soybeans were an outstanding number, 78.3. Corn, okay, pretty decent at 47.4. And wheat was about normal what we're seeing here, 11.3 million bushels. That's not an outstanding number, but it's what we're accustomed to for wheat. Now, the soybean number was artificially inflated by the rapid export business we've seen in the last couple weeks. And this will be the end of the private export business reflected in our weekly export sales. This will be the end of the export numbers. So next week's soybean sales is going to be much more routine, and this number widely anticipated by the trade. Now, on the negative side of demand here is no private export sale announcements this morning. This is the sixth consecutive day we've gone without any private announcements. It's been a very strong run for a couple weeks of private sales up until the last six trading sessions as prices have rallied, and that's kind of forced us out of being competitive on the export market. Dryness concerns continue to mount in Brazil. That would affect the second corn crop, and that's providing mild support to the corn. On the negative side here, weather is improving in the U.S. Midwest. There's a little bit of dryness in the winter wheat belt. That is a concern. There was thoughts that we would have good rains by the weekend, and they've taken some of those rain showers out of the forecast, and that's helped the Kansas City wheat to rally off of its lows. But overall, the weather pattern is shifting to a drier and warmer pattern. We're going to be much more seasonal. I've had clients in the Dakotas up by Fargo area and Minot talk about 6-7 days of some wind and drying weather. They could be out seeding spring wheat. Of course, there's anhydrous being placed in fields, some field prep being done. Just have not seen much field work yet, as it's been very, very cold. A lot of snow in the upper Midwest, but temperatures in the 60s next week. It'll get more people scratching the dirt and out in the fields. That normally puts a little pressure against our markets when we see the planters rolling. Cattle on feed report comes out tomorrow. The estimates look a little bearish at 107.5% for cattle. That's going to hit us in the front months of June, August to an extent as well. Placements at 90.6%. I don't think we're going to be that low. I think we're going to see placements larger than that. And markings will be 96.1 is what the trade is expecting. I do think the marking number should be aggressive going forward. It's going to be hard to beat last year's number, as we were very aggressive, but I do think our weights are going to continue to slide here as we market our cattle more aggressively. Finally, cash hog trade should turn lower now. We've been anticipating it would improve, which it did yesterday, but now the weather is starting to improve. No transportation issues noted this morning. A lot of melting in the Midwest, and cash hogs should come under a little bit of pressure as a result. We hope you have a great day of trade. If you have questions, contact any of our offices. I know they'd be glad to talk with you. Have a good day, good luck, good trading, and we'll talk to you soon. Brian Hoops for Midwest Market.